Have you ever seen these special types of grass cutting machines? They move left and right, and it almost seems like they're not even touching the grass, but somehow the grass falls neatly in rows. The secret lies in a special kind of string. Traditional large lawnmowers use a motor to rotate blades that cut the grass. But this particular type of grass cutter uses a nylon string instead of a metal blade. The string, made primarily of nylon, is attached to the rotating disc of the lawnmower. As the machine begins to operate, the string spins rapidly, creating enough force to cut the grass like a blade. In slow motion footage, you can see how the string snaps through the grass blades. This string trimmer has several advantages. Firstly, compared to metal blades, nylon strings are more resistant to aging and corrosion. The machine also produces less noise and vibration, making it more comfortable for the user. The maintenance cost is very low. You only need to replace the string when it is heavily worn, and the string is much cheaper than metal blades. However, string trimmers also have certain limitations. They are best suited for cutting soft, low grass. If they encounter shrubs or hard materials like tree branches, their cutting force isn't sufficient. Additionally, the string can easily get tangled in obstacles, causing the machine to jam and reducing cutting efficiency. The process of mowing can also be tiring, as it requires constant left and right movements. For tougher jobs, such as clearing overgrown or wild land, another method is often used: a thick iron chain. The chain is fixed between two powerful bulldozers. When they start, the two bulldozers move side by side, pulling the chain along to uproot bushes and clear grass. If needed, a stronger chain can be used to loosen the soil as well. This method is so effective that it can instantly turn overgrown land into fertile fields, achieving results that ordinary tools and machines cannot match. It's fascinating to see these simple, yet highly effective land clearing methods in action, isn't it? Does it make you feel like everything is getting swept away effortlessly? Share your thoughts about these methods in the comments. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content in the future.